Hey, good morning, everybody. I just wanted to get this out there. Listen, crude oil, we'll cover that first, but then we got some things to cover on natural gas. We're still in this 81.29 to 83 level. As you can see, it kind of stalled around here. I do think if this holds, we will trend back up to this 85.94. I think that's the level, 85.94 level. So what I'd be looking for there is potentially just moving up to here. So that's kind of what I would expect on the crude oil side. Let's take a look on natural gas. And we have kind of a bigger sell-off happening today. It's still on lower volume and it does seem to be recovering, but after it broke through overnight below this 81.5 level, then we're now kind of dropping down. We haven't gotten to this 175.4, and that's actually optimistic. So let's take a look at a different time frame. So when we look at the 4-hour chart, nothing is really broken. However, this is a little concerning that, let me draw this in white, and there's that. All right. So this line right here, we're kind of at that support line. Now, these lines aren't hard and fast, but this is something that I typically take a look at. So this tells me that this upward channel might be suspect. And if it does in fact drop below this level right here, a drop to 70, and then potentially even all the way to 65.7 again, could come in play, but I do think the fundamentals are starting to turn, and we should see this 81.5 level return again. Relatively speaking, we are on lower volume, so another concern about the bull move is as we've gone up, you can see volume has gone down. Now, sometimes that means people are going to the sidelines or things like that, but it doesn't tell me how much to trust this upward momentum movement. That said, I'm long-term bullish. I see 194.8 and 231.6 as our next targets, but it is going to need a pretty good catalyst to get there. So we are doing a live stream today on natural gas and inevitabilities, but it's going to be a lot of the same material that I covered on the Monday video. So hopefully this helps. Just wanted to give you some insight. Let me see if there's any news here. No, this is all old news. So I was trying to see if there's some news driving this. I haven't heard anything, but dropping back to this 176.5 level is key. Let's take a look at the daily, and then we'll take a look at the weekly. Yeah, that doesn't look optimistic or pessimistic yet. Let's look at the weekly. So the weekly candle is kind of at a indecision candle. So, and I apologize for the lines when you get into lower time frames. All those lines are relevant, but all 3 weeks, the past 3 weeks, we've kind of been at a point of indecision. And this usually happens when we're about to have a big move. So whatever move is happening, it's going to be big. But what I would look at is this is kind of developing a longer term triangle. So whatever direction that it pops, and we're kind of at the precipice, and it looks like it wants to go up. So if it breaks up, it usually means that it's going to go to the high here and higher. So I think that is what is happening on the technical side of the equation. But be watching it. I'll be watching it, and then we'll plan on taking it from there. So listen, let me know if you need something. It is Wednesday, so we're going to have crude oil releases and a lot. Watch the market today because as we've seen in the past few weeks, most of the reaction for storage was happening on Wednesday, not Thursday. So this might set the direction. So let's see where we go from here. But it looks like we've given back everything that we gained yesterday on the bull run yesterday. So hope you're doing well. Talk soon.